What's up, guys? Welcome back to Aiden's Cooking Show. This is my first year out in the cooking show. Now welcome back to Aiden's Cooking Show. If you guys like these videos, please smash that like button. 1 second. So yeah. Got everything I need to cook with. Got this. We're going to cook some pizza today. Ooh. That. Ooh. I'm gonna have to end this video short because we don't have no pizza. This stuff poisons people. This stuff puts a bad taste in your mouth. And since we don't have any pizza, which we're supposed to have, but we don't have any more pizza, then guess what? I have to turn that down to eating this goofy stuff. Where's this? No, there's nothing. What do I do now? Drink hot sauce? Guess I could do that. Habanero sauce. It's been forever since we just drinking hot sauce. Nothing. Well, if you guys like this video, please smash that like button. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.